What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a meme coin that's kind of just getting started. Now, I want you guys to take everything I say here with a grain of salt. My goal with this video is to open your eyeballs, open your minds, and catch your attention with projects that are out there that may be outside of the top 100 and how they still have a possibility to grow a lot more, especially with popularity, with marketing, with CEXs that are listing it, and just all of the above, right? A lot of things. Um, so my goal is to get you to, see it, and then hopefully you would go and research the project a little bit more. And maybe you like it, maybe you don't, but the thing is that it is your decision in the end to decide to purchase whatever you're going to purchase. When I typically buy any meme coins, I'm not risking everything that I have. I know there's some people that go hard or go home, right? And they will risk as much as they possibly can. And sometimes they make a bunch of money, and you really only hear about those stories. And you don't really hear about the stories that, people that don't make a bunch of money. So I always like to, throw a little bit into a project and believe in it a little bit if I see the opportunity. So today we're going to be talking about Cat of Elon, Elon Cat today. Sorry, my voice has been acting weird today, but we'll try and get through it. We're going to be talking about this project. It is a meme coin that's on Solana, and it seems like Solana is kind of that I don't know, that housing place for meme coins that honestly is catching a lot of traction and a lot of interest, and seeing a lot of volume that's happening on the DEX side, which honestly is very, very interesting to see how much volume is happening there versus on the CEX side. So we're going to talk about Cat of Elon today. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links for Elon Cat down below. I'll provide all of those at the top of the description. But if we go into the website, right, Cat of Elon, Elon Cat, a meme based only on the only known cat, Schrodinger. Hopefully, I'm saying that right. Owned by Mr. Elon Musk himself. Now you can look at, you can go and buy it right here if you want to click on that. You can also view the chart. We will view the chart in a little bit, but you see here with this cat, we'll check with our cat Schrodinger. But I feel like I'm not saying that right. But I don't think she's going to like it. Gatsby, Marvin the Martian, Schrodinger, Musk has tweeted about a string of other pets. He also owns on Twitter, including two dogs, a cat. In 2018, he tweeted, "We have a big dog called Gatsby, a little dog called Marvin, and Marvin the Martian, and a cat named Schrodinger." The name Schrodinger refers to the infamous thought experiment created by Erwin Schrodinger in 1930, or in the 1930s. Gatsby and Marvin have even visited the famous dog whisperer, who posted a picture of them on his Instagram in 2018. Elon has also tweeted uh, AI is Schrodinger's code recently. So that's very interesting. But it kind of gives you a story, even though I can't pronounce any names. It kind of gives you the story of exactly where this has come from and why this could be popular, how it's tied to Elon Musk. And I feel like Elon Musk is always that hub for popularity in the crypto market, especially meme coins, because you look at Dogecoin and how he's the Doge father, and he mentions Dogecoin and Doge skyrockets, and he mentions other things. You have Floki, you have all of these other things that are tied in a way and trying to be tied to Elon. That I feel like create that level of popularity. So you also have, let's go through some of the information. You have a fair launch, no BS launch, renounced contract, LP forever burned, 0 to 0 buy and sell taxes, 100% Seifu. You have meme vibes with all of these cat memes flying to the moon. Elon Cat will be the biggest and the greatest. It seems like that we are starting to see a narrative shift from dog meme coins, even though we still have dog meme coins like Dog with Hat and Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and all of those. we're starting to see a shift into like other animals where you have frog, right? You have a lot of cats, cat in a dog's world. And that's where you're starting to see that kind of shift there. Major CEX listing, we are already prepping CEX listings with top tier CEXs. They will arrive shortly post launch. So seeing those CEXs, again, big deal, creates volume, creates popularity. Mega KOL campaign, we are sending our Elon Cat to the moon with help of our KOL friends. Now, tokenomics within it, you have 1 billion total supply. You have a 0 to 0 buy and sell tax with 100% liquidity pool, no team tokens, no airdrops, no pre-sale, no BS. So simple. A cat could understand it, and not even a dev could touch it. Here's how and what's how and what's renounced contract, forever burn liquidity pool, fully fair launch, and no airdrops. They also have an Elon Cat, Telegram sniper bot. Get ahead of the game with our Solana sniper bot on Telegram. Snipe freshly made liquidity pools with bribes, dead blocks, anti-rug, and anti-MEV, and much more. Fee structure, you have a 0.3% buybacks on Elon, 0.3% instantly burn Elon, so it's going to be, or Elon Cat, and it's going to be, I guess, a deflationary project which always sits well with me. I like when things are deflationary. Infrastructure cost and future development. Point two will go to the team behind the Elon Cat. How to buy, download Phantom Wallet, or your choice of wallet from the App Store, Google Play for free. Desktop users, okay. Have Sol in your wallet. When you do that, you can switch or swap for Elon Cat and connect to Radium, and then you can be able to buy Elon Cat there. So it's fairly simple to be able to purchase it. Let's look at their phases, their roadmap. Phase one, I don't know if they have dates associated with this, but we could probably get it all broken down. But the fair launch, you have whale groups, alpha groups, CMC, and CG listing. You also have YouTube marketing, CEX listing in phase two, Telegram marketing, Twitter marketing, big KOLs, Dex Tools marketing, SpaceX billboard. Very interesting. New CEX listing in phase three, and then you're also looking for a top tier CEX listing in phase four, and they're looking to get Twitter influencers and all types of marketing going on, all types of campaigns, which honestly is a really, really good thing for the project to see that level of interest and to be able to spend money in the right places, right? It's not all just word of mouth anymore. It's all about trying to get your name out there. And the best way to do that is to set up full marketing campaigns in a way. Here's their Twitter account, really just getting started with 543 followers. If you want to go and give them a follow, I will provide that link down below as well. But if we look at the chart, over the last 24 hours, it's up by 54%, almost 55%. In the last 5 minutes, it's up by 4%. And, you see in the last hour, last 6 hours, being down 5% or 5% here. The total volume that you've seen for the last 24 hours is 453K, a market cap of $2.1 million. And it's sitting at a 21% of a penny level. So when you look at these things, this is what I see within them. I see some potential. But, you have to see that they're spending money in the right places. They're willing to spend money in the right places to see these things flourish. They set everything up to make things safe, and it does look like that's the case. And just a lot of different things that are in place that can, one, protect the investor. Two, you can see potential growth, right, when it comes to the amount of volume, when it comes to CEXs, when it comes to marketing campaigns. Like those things are going to be big for a project, right? And for Elon Cat, I feel as though it will be big as well. So it currently sits again at $2.1 million market cap. Let's hope that we can see something much greater than that when it comes to growth. Like you look over here on Dex Screener, and some of them, are up, 635K%. Imagine if you found that position that is up 635K, and this could be that for you, that hits a low and is up and finds a way to absolutely explode. in the coming days. So hopefully that's the case. Let me know what you think about this project. If you've looked into it, I want you guys to look into it further, go into detail of exactly what the team is all about. You can talk to them if you want to and reach out to them. I'm sure they'll be open to having a conversation about what they are, and especially whether it is like public or not. You can be able to have some marketing, some conversations, and answer a lot of questions out there. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out the links down below for the Cat of Elon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.